Hello guys, welcome to another petty sketch video. Now today I did a sketch on a pretty random animal. I sketched a common potoo. It's also known as Nyctibius Griseus in Latin, which I'm sure I'm not pronouncing it correctly. So they have these super large eyes that make them really dorky. As always, I'm not an expert, but they have some pretty interesting facts. So common potoos are not just a single species of birds. They belong to the genus Nyctibius, so they branch out into 7 species. That's why they can look really different in terms of color and shape. They are nocturnal animals, so they hunt at night. Aside from their gigantic dorky eyes, which are really useful for hunting at night, they have ginormous mouths. Even though their beaks are really small, their mouths expand really big. This helps them catch insects like moths, beetles, and other flying insects at night. And just a testament to how good their visions are, potoos can actually see movements and shadow with their eyes closed. So they have a narrow opening along the bottom of their eyelids that let them sense movement and shadows. This helps them track prey or predators while they're asleep. So potoos are opportunist eaters. Their main diet involves bugs, but sometimes they eat small birds as well. Potoos are also largely sedentary. They usually just catch some bugs, eat them, and sit on their stumps. They are almost never seen during the day, and they perch in a single spot without ever moving too far away. So, something interesting about potoos is they are usually monogamous. They don't mate with the opposite gender a lot, so once they find love or a mate, it's usually forever. Isn't that sweet? And on top of that, they are pretty amazing co-parents. Once a single egg is laid, the male incubates the egg during the day, and both the male and female incubate the egg together at night. The egg usually hatches after about a month, and it will remain in the nesting area for about 2 months. This is a pretty long time, actually, for land birds. Now, potoos are really noisy birds, and they make the most noise when everyone else is sleeping at night. And they have a pretty terrifying squawk. Just search them up online and you will find some examples of their terrifying squawks. They have a deep and harsh sort of yell that frightens a lot of hikers. Their terrifying yells have given inspiration to a lot of songs and poems about sadness, dread, and melancholy. Yikes. For example, the Suar people of Ecuador believe the potoo's cries come from a spirit that is in love with the moon. The legend has it that a man was angry with his wife, but when she tried to apologize, he fled towards the sky. She tried to follow him but fell back to the earth and transformed into a bird. Her husband became the moon, and because she could never reach him again, the wife stayed up all night crying over her lost love. And that is the sorrowful and eerie cries you hear from the Common Potoo. Wow. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, stay healthy, stay happy, and have a great day. Bye.